To give you some perspective as to how large this Matts Creek wildfire is, it has burned over 10,000 acres. It is roughly the size of more than 7,600 football fields. It's 37% the size of Roanoke City, and it's 70% the size of Manhattan, New York City. Hard to believe how big this fire has become. Needed rain, though, is coming, okay? Starting to see at least a couple of little showers right along the Montgomery and Roanoke County line, a couple of little sprinkles perhaps towards Giles and also Bland counties. As we do expand this picture for you, friends, you'll notice that we are watching more in the way of some rain situated out to the west of us. This is only a small little douse of rain for a couple of us across the region. The main energy with this comes with this line right here. What you're seeing also out across portions of Louisiana and Mississippi is a tornado watch. We've had several tornado warnings along the Gulf Coast in association with this front, as it does indeed move to the east at about 20 to 30 miles per hour. This is our next rainmaker. This is what's going to start to bring us rain tonight and be with us all day tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be as close to a washout as it could be, okay? It's going to be very wet on Tuesday, no doubt. The bulk of the rain, though, tonight comes in after midnight. A couple of showers are possible for us from now through midnight, but the bulk of the rain comes in after midnight. And yes, we could even see a little bit in the way of a light wintry mix towards portions of Highland and Pocahontas counties. Now, this is 7, 8, 9 a.m. Rain is going to be completely overspreading the region. Some heavy rain is indeed possible. It's still going to be raining cats and dogs as we head, say, towards 1, 2, 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And then by the time dinner time rolls around and soon thereafter, I think the heaviest amount of rain will lie along that Highway 29 corridor and points to the east. We could actually hear a couple rumbles of thunder towards south side as we head into late tomorrow afternoon. And then the rain will start to subside late Tuesday night. Cannot rule out the chance for a lingering shower or two east early Wednesday. Otherwise, Wednesday, the trend will be for us to see increasing sunshine as we head into the afternoon, as we will be, for the most part, dry on Wednesday, with the exception of that stray lingering shower possibility early in the day. Question then becomes, how much rain do we get here? The answer is anywhere from about a ½ an inch to 3 inches. Okay. These lower totals will be into our far southwesternmost counties. New River Valley probably going to be the zone that sees the least amount of rain, while the most amount of rain will likely be in areas east of the Parkway. That includes the Lynchburg and the south side zones, where 2 to 3 inches plus of rain will be possible. Now, it's not going to be wet here tomorrow. It's going to be wet in portions of North Carolina and Tennessee. It's going to be wet along that I-64 corridor going from, say, Richmond all the way to Louisville. It's going to be wet on that I-77 corridor going from Charleston south into Charlotte. I-81 going to be wet from Bristol all the way north into Harrisburg, and I-95 is likely going to be wet from Baltimore all the way south into Fayetteville, North Carolina. Now, I will tell you, as we look into the future, it looks like we're going to have a chance to dry things out from Wednesday on. The storm track is going to stay active, no doubt about it, but it looks like the bulk of the rain from Wednesday through Sunday going to stay either west of us or to the south of us. That being said, I did put a 20% chance for a shower or two Friday all the way through Monday in case this disturbance to the south tries to sneak a little bit further to the north. Temperatures stand for us right now: 41 in Hot Springs, 48 Wytheville, 53 Roanoke. It's 50 as we speak in Lynchburg. For tonight, we're going to have some showers pushing in after midnight, but the bulk of the rain will come on Tuesday. Overnight lows tonight about 34 to 40. Tomorrow, we're going to be wet. Okay, we're going to have more humidity around. It's going to be cooler. High temperatures tomorrow going to be in the 40s and 50s. You're going to be at your warmest towards south side. It is possible areas towards South Boston get close to 60, while areas, say, towards Hot Springs may stay near 40. Extended forecast showing temperatures reaching near 60 everywhere on Thanksgiving Day. Thanksgiving Day looks to be pretty. A little more cloud cover Friday, Saturday into Sunday, but the rain chances are pretty low once we get beyond Tuesday night.